Guys, I am going to read English newspaper. World Rhino Day. PM Rhino Day. PM recalls his visit to Kaziranga National Park as the world is celebrating World Rhino Day. Rhino Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, recalling his visit to Kaziranga National Park in Assam, said that it is a matter of pride that India is home to a large number of one-horned rhinos. He urged people to visit the place as well. PM Modi on Sunday extended his compliments to the individuals involved in the rhino conservation program. In a social media post on X, PM Modi wrote, "Today on World's Rhino Day, let us reiterate our commitment to protect one of our planet's most iconic species, rhinos. Compliments to all those involved in rhino conservation efforts over the last many years. It is a matter of immense pride that India is home to a large number of one horned rhinos. I also fondly recall my visit to Kaziranga in Assam and urge you all to visit there as well. On the occasion, wildlife expert Dr. Vibhav Kumar Talukdar said that the central and state governments have taken various measures in the last few years to ensure an increase in the population of rhinos and prohibition on rhino rhinos poaching. Dr. Talukdar further said that to fight the poachers, the Assam government has modernized the forest protection force to ensure the safety of rhinos. Speaking to ANI, wildlife expert Dr. Vibhav Kumar Talukdar said, Assam is an important site for greater one-horned rhinos in India and Nepal. Over 120 years, Assam has taken steps to increase the rhino population and also to increase its habitat. In recent years, poaching has declined quite a lot compared to 2013. In recent times, the Assam government has taken up lots of initiatives to ensure the protection of rhinos. The visit of PM Modi to Kaziranga has reflected his commitment towards rhino conservation. The government's zero tolerance policy against rhino poachers is very important because the rhino poachers come with sophisticated weapons and the forest staff will have to fight with sophisticated weapons. The Assam government has modernized the forest protection force to fight the intruders who intend to kill rhinos. Rhino is our state animal and we are proud of rhinos. Our pride has to be secured and the government has to continue its leading role to ensure that the rhinos are safe and our future generation can see the rhinos in the wild. World Rhino Day is celebrated annually on September 22 to raise awareness about the rhinos and the need to protect them. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank